Hello programmer, welcome back to another tutorial on PHP, and in this tutorial we will learn about a string function. Now go ahead and make a variable test equal to, then in order to use a string function we have to assign some text. This is an example of a string function. Now start with a string length function, echo strlen, then inside a parenthesis we can put a string or a variable with a string like test. Save this, and here we got 38 because here string length function count the total number of character in this string and return that value. It means there are 38 characters in this string, and here we count the total number of characters in a string. But if we want to count the total number of word in a string, then we can use string word count function. str underscore word underscore count. Test, save this, and it says there are total 7 words in this string, which is correct. Now another function is string reverse function, strrev, and as its name, here it reverses a given string. Now if you want to search for a certain text within a given string, then at that time we can use string position function, strpos, and this function takes two parameters. In a first parameter we have to give a string from which we want to find something. Then on second parameter we give a text which we want to search from this string, and here we want to search is. If the function find a match in this string, then it returns the position of that text which is found first, and it return 2 because it start counting from 0, so 0, 1, 2. Okay, let's find another text, and it return 8. But if we try to find a text which is not in a string, then it return nothing, and here we got nothing. At last, if we want to replace a text from a given string, then we can use string replace function, str underscore replace. It takes 3 parameters. Now before I explain how it works, I'm gonna write a code and show the output. An example or tutorial. Save this, and here we got, this is a tutorial of a string function. After replacing an example with a tutorial from a source string, this is an example of a string function. Now on a first parameter we pass a text which is already in this string. Then in a second parameter we pass a text with which we want to replace. And there are many other string functions, but these are some of the most commonly used string function. And this much for this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future video from my channel.